4 years ago, we looked at what the customers were doing with roll-fed and came away with a pretty good hit list of things that they'd like to see better. They took that hit list and started creating what we see today as Simpl-Cut. The reality of it is, over that 2-year time period, as we developed what's now known as Simpl-Cut technology, the benefits to the market space, which no one else has, became truly apparent.
I believe that there are 4 benefits to the Simpl-Cut machine. The first one, and the most important, is that we eliminate any stringing of the glue. We do that by applying the glue before we cut the film, and that's done on the vacuum drum system. All labelers, wherever they're made, have one Achilles heel, and that is that the glue tends to string. And you, the operator, or you, the maintenance person, have to clean that. And you're cleaning it with a solvent, and you're doing that 2 or 3 times a shift. With Simpl-Cut, because we are gluing before we cut, we eliminate any stringing that can occur. The typical plant would see an efficiency increase between 1 and 1.5% only because we're not stopping the labeler to clean it. The second benefit is the knife. We eliminate the servo or guillotine effect of a knife by using the vacuum drum to pull the label across a fixed knife, thus eliminating servos and costly slip rings that are transmitting the information back and forth to the servo motor. In the Simpl-Cut machine, there's no moving parts. And the third benefit is that fixed knife is easily changeable with a cartridge system. If you can change the razor blade in your razor, you can change the blade on a Simpl-Cut machine. It's in a self-contained cartridge. It takes less than 2 minutes to swap it in and out. Simple. Because we are cutting the film on the primary vacuum drum, the last benefit would be elimination of a second drum. By doing that, we eliminate all the servo motors, and it's simply a simple machine.
A lot of the early adopters of Simpl-Cuts were in Western Europe, but if we look today at where the growth is, a lot of our growth is in the Americas. One of the important things to remember is that the problems that Simpl-Cut is solving are really universal problems for folks that run roll-fed labeling. So we're building labelers today for the largest soft drink companies in the world. We're building labelers for regional bottled water players and everywhere in between.
Silver Springs Bottled Water started in '91. We've been family owned and operated since then, and we've been really blessed to grow with the water industry as it's grown the beverage business. We came through PE labelers with it embedded in some other equipment. I visited PE in Italy, seeing the innovation that they had in the equipment and seeing the progress of it from the first machine to the second machine we bought. It took another leap in what we believe will be better reliability and product quality. The name for the PE Simpl-Cut really tells the story, the simplicity of it. You're cutting out from the traditional labelers we have today, stuff that historically is going to be failure points of the equipment over time. And the simplicity of being able to change a knife out in minutes really, and no moving parts or electrical rotary couplings, those are the big points for us.
Our goal is really to leverage the simplicity of our technology to provide unparalleled customer service to give our clients the best labeling experience in the world.
There is no doubt in my mind that Simpl-Cut is going to revolutionize the roll-fed market.